So, I did a thing. I don't know how to put it. You ever watch YouTube videos and I should have this up. There we go. Ding, ding, ding. Oh. So, you know, you're watching YouTube videos and you see some money-making idea, scheme, whatever. And you decide, I want to try that. So that's what I did. I did a KDP low-content book. Yes, I did. I made this one out of some artwork. Let's see. Here's the artwork. So it's not perfect. You know, they're not perfect because I really didn't measure, and I did these on cardboard, as you can see. Aren't they pretty? I just love them. And yeah, so I've been thinking of all kinds of ways to use these little hearts since I made them. And I have made fabric. That's over at Spoonflower. You can pick any kind of fabric you want. This one's kind of stiffer fabric. If you're interested, I'll put links below, but you don't have to. I just wanted to show you what I did. And I took the same shapes and made this book. See, isn't that cute? Oh, I think it's so cute. It's on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Yeah, I was just thought, why not make one? And it has, I created the inside of lines. I got little hearts there. Isn't that cute? You can't see the inside on Amazon for some reason. It's supposed to work, but, and I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't put my information on here. I didn't put this notebook belongs to page. But not all notebooks have that, right? So, anyway, I just thought I'd share. I do have a video hop tomorrow. So, my normal day is today. That's why I thought I'd plug this in here. And I have a regular video tomorrow. It's part of a hop. So, if you're interested, come back tomorrow and check out the hop. And yeah. Oh, I will put a link to how I made these hearts in case you're interested. That was also a hop for the same group. I went looking for it. It's been a few years. I went looking for it and found it and like, oh yeah, it was part of a hop too. Anyways, I hope you have an awesome Saturday and see you next time.